Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and happy Saturday. You guys are seeing a late video because I completely forgot to upload yesterday. I actually ended up going to work. It was Black Friday, so by the way, I hope you guys had a wonderful Thanksgiving. We had a really nice Thanksgiving, and I did end up going to work on Friday, and then I went to Joann's, Target, and Home Goods because Target had the Keurig for $49.99, and I actually bought my Keurig. I've been wanting it for a while and I saw it was on sale, so I decided to just go and get it. And then at Joann's I just picked up a few Christmas decor items, and at Home Goods I don't think I picked up anything because I didn't see anything I liked. Mostly I was looking for a shower curtain, and I was looking for a Christmas tablecloth, and I didn't find one that I liked yet, so I'm still searching. I'm not completely done with my Christmas decor yet. And yeah, but anyway, today I wanted to take you guys down memory lane, and I wanted to do a flip through of all of the spreads that I created in 2019. And as you guys know, my traveler's notebook pretty much came to an end, and I wanted to do a flip through of all the spreads that I've done in my traveler's notebook, and then I'll do another video with all the spreads that I've done in my Clever Fox planner, in my A5 ring planner, and I think those were the only planners I had this year. And then next year, 2020, I'll be starting my new planners, and I'm very excited about that. I can't wait to show you guys my planner lineup video. And I'm going to be working on that really soon for you guys. But yeah, so December is the last month of the year. I can't believe how fast it came. And so I thought, why not show you guys a flip through of all of my spreads. That used to be one of my popular videos, and I haven't done one in a really long time. So let's go ahead and get started. So as you guys know, this is my traveler's notebook, and this is actually a Carpe Diem traveler's notebook. I think it's a standard size, and I love it. I remember I think I gave this to myself for my birthday. I think I started this one in May. I bought it off of Heather, one of my subscribers and followers on Instagram. She was selling it, and when I saw it, I was like, yes, I want it, because this was actually one of the planners I've been wanting for a really long time, and I just never, I just decided not to pay for it, and she was selling it for a really good price, so I decided to just go ahead and buy it, and I've loved it ever since. But I like to move on to new planners. So yeah, this one pretty much came to an end, and I'm gonna leave this like this. I'm gonna leave the setup. I never change out the setup whenever I finish a planner. I just leave it with whatever setup I have left. And pretty much this is how it's going to stay. The stickers I'll use from time to time because I still have a lot of Planner Society stickers left. If I ever need the paper clip or the washi little card holder, then I'll pull it out. But for now, it's just going to stay in there. And yeah, so that's what the beginning of my planner looks like. And then my first insert is my monthly view. And I'm going to show you guys. So this is the spread for May. This was my birthday month right here. And I used a sticker book, I believe from Walmart. And I love these little stickers. The piñata was my little favorite. And I love how fun and festive it was. This was definitely a good month for me. And then, so this was May 2019. This is for June 2019. This is probably one of my favorite summer spreads that I've ever done. I really love all the flamingos. I'm obsessed with the way the washi layout is. And I just love all the tropical trees. And this was just so much fun. Over here for June, we celebrated my boyfriend's birthday, Father's Day, last day of school, and my sister's birthday. So that was a fun month. And then here we have July. I love July. I always love my 4th of July spreads. Just because I love the color blue, and I love the stickers that 4th of July have. And sorry, something just popped up on my phone. Okay. And I love how this looks. I love the blue washi. I love the little flag. This is my favorite 4th of July washi tape, and I actually got this one from Target like 2 years ago. And then this was our Ecuador vacation, so that was super fun, very memorable. My daughter went back to school, my dad's birthday. So this was also a really good month. And then over here we have August. This was the last month of the summer, and I just love how fun and colorful it is. Very girly. I love the color of the mint with the pink together. It's such a pretty combination. And then I actually remember I laid down the ice cream day sticker unintentionally, and it turns out that in August it was ice cream month, and I did not know that, and I did this little ice cream bar right here. And that was pretty cool. So, and I liked what I did with the polka dots. I actually did that with marker, and that was really nice. So I actually love this spread. And then over here we have September, and this was really fun. This was the beginning of what marked fall for me, the jump in the leaves. I think I used a combination of Happy Planner stickers, Dollar Tree washi tape, and then this washi tape I think was from one of my Planner Society boxes, I want to say. But over here we celebrated Labor Day. This is the beginning of football season, and so yeah, this was a really nice spread. I think one of my favorite fall spreads for sure. And then of course Halloween. You guys know I'm obsessed with Halloween and Christmas, and I did my little Halloween theme, and this is by far my favorite spread. I absolutely love the combination of the black and white stripes with the haunted house washi tape. The washi tapes were from Michaels, stickers were from Michaels. This one was from a Michaels sticker book. So this was definitely decked out in Michaels, and I just love it. So Halloween was this month, and this was a good month too. And then over here we have November, so Thanksgiving month. So this one was really nice. I really like how it came out. And most of these I worked on, you know, on my bed, just hanging out on a night. And I love how they came out so pretty. The pumpkin, the celebrate. And we celebrated my daughter's 16th birthday, Thanksgiving, Black Friday. And I can't believe how fast and done it's over with already. And then we mark December, which starts in my next planner. So if you guys remember, I did have a planner before this, so I will make sure to do all the spreads before that as well. But I just wanted to start off with my traveler's notebook because I feel like this was my favorite planner. And then over here we just have my little decorative TPS setup, my little sticky notes that I can always pull out if I need. This is just some pictures of me and my mom at the Ecuadorian festival. And then I'm actually going to start with this one because this is where my May spread starts. This is my inserts from 1407, and I started this one in May, so these are my May spreads right here. So this was the very first spread I ever did in this insert, and I didn't know how to do it or what to do, and I think that's why it looks so empty. But this was a learning process for sure. As I got used to it, I learned a little bit more how to decorate it, and this one was very pink and butterflies. And then over here I did a Paris theme using the Ooh La La sticker book from Michaels. Look at that. That was my daughter's state championship track meet. These day covers are from Sarah's shop. And then we did a Mother's Day dinner. So it's really nice to, you know, just look back and see what the year was like, what we did. This was in May still. And these were stickers using the Happy Planner. And it was my nephew's birthday, my boyfriend's cousin's birthday. Let's see, Yasmin's, my daughter's music concert. Oh my gosh, this is so crazy how time goes. This one is a unicorn birthday kit that I had, and let's see, anything. Oh, this was, I think this is the first week I went to, is it Hobby Lobby for the first time, and I loved it because I went with my sister, and that was really cool. Let's see what else. This is my donut theme, and these donut decals are from the Dollar Tree. They're from the, what is it, like a wallpaper decal. So this was a fun spread. I think this is one of my favorite spreads in here, and I just love it. We did Great America with the family. My daughter's 15th birthday. Wow. And then over here, this is the very first sticker book I bought from Hobby Lobby. I forgot what the sticker book is called, but this was a really cute spread. I liked this one. This looks like it was a pretty chill week. Then we have this summer sticker kit from Sarah's shop. This was from Planner Love SP. I love it. Father's Day. Party City. This is from the Planner Society, one of my favorite kits ever. I love this one. I love how the little sidebar came out. And then this is my favorite spread for the summer as well. I like this one. Let's see, we had a birthday party, shopping, binge watching. Cool. And then 4th of July, I love this one. This is the week we left to Ecuador. So this was really cool. I mean, even to see what we did while we were there, like we went to the hot springs, we went to the crowning of the princess of the town. Then we have this one. This is like a watermelon kit. This one was cute and fun. We climbed the volcano. We went to the beaches. So that's really nice. Then over here we have, this was definitely one of my favorite sticker kits ever. I remember I loved this kit so much. I think I got it at the Chicago Planner Conference, and I finally decided to use it. And then over here we have this summer one. This one I think is Dollar Tree stickers. Yep, I love it. I love how it came out with a combination of the date covers, the hot air balloon. I think this is Fly Fly Away. It's a sticker kit from Sarah's shop. I love it. This was a pretty chill week, or one of those weeks where I forgot to write my stuff. And then there's another tropical theme here. I went crazy with the tropical theme, right? I did a whole month, a whole summer worth of tropical theme. And then that was the end of this one. So yeah, I think overall my favorite spread was the 4th of July, and this is a really nice one. I think this one. So the 4th of July, and this one's my favorite one. Super cute. And then over here we continue on with the rest. This continues in August. And this I did a combination of, I think it was Dollar Tree holographic stickers. Love how that turned out with the date covers. And let's see, anything that I did that stands out. Just, oh, my uncle's birthday, my boyfriend's uncle's birthday at the park. And then over here, I did another summer theme. This is from a sticker book from the Dollar Tree. I remember these little puffy stickers. Let's see. Oh yeah, I had a date with my daughter because she didn't go to school. I took her to the clinic to get some x-rays. Then we got some coffee. So that was nice. Here's another summer theme. This is one of my favorites as well. I love this one. Love the huge pineapple, the taco truck. Oh, okay, that was Camila's birthday. You guys remember I did film that birthday party. The Minnie Mouse decorations, that was fun. And then the back to school. Wow. This kit was from Sarah's shop, and I loved it. One of my favorites ever. Super cute, very chill, low-key week. This is the Planner Society. Love this sticker kit. And I think this was actually one of my favorite kits. And then this is a very, very fun fall spread. I love this one. I felt like I was really creative with this one, and I really, really liked it. And yeah, then there's this one right here. This one was also really nice. For the most part, I love all of my spreads. I think they came out really, really nice. And there's definitely more I can do to improve, but You know, creating a spread is all about your own creativity and how you want it to look. And then we got Halloween, which is my favorite. Love this one. I used all the little die cuts that Cynthia had sent me. These day covers, I think, were from Sarah's shop. Then over here we have this one, my spider web. This was my absolute favorite little thing that I ever did in my planner. A little candy corn. And then there's this one with my ghost. I did a lot of ghost themes because I like the ghost. And then the witches. This was actually a very popular spread on Instagram. Everybody was loving it. And I can see why. I love the purple with the witches and the black. Such a pretty combination. We went to Great America. Worked on Christmas. This was the week that the kids were on strike. Oh my gosh. And then this is the week I got my Chicago Planner Conference ticket, which is in February, and I can't wait. I'm so excited. But that's what this one looks like. And then this is the week. Yeah, I remember I didn't do much this week. But these are using my phone memo. I forgot to fill this in. And then there's this one, this beautiful sticker kit. I love this one. This is one of my favorites. And then there's this one. I did a combination of Walmart stickers and the Planner Society. And then this is my own do-it-yourself planner spread. I literally created my own insert and it came out so cute and you guys were loving it. And this is my last spread for November and I love it. I think it came out so pretty and it's actually one of my most creative spreads ever. So I really like that. And yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. So that's the rest of my flip through. This is just my bills, and then this is my shopping list right here, and that's pretty much it. That is my flip through of my 2019 spreads in my traveler's notebooks. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know if you guys saw a spread that was your favorite that I created. And you know, it was nice to look through it and just get some inspiration. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your night. As always, you know what to do. Give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.